Hi there, I'm First Alert Meteorologist Scott Padgett. Okay, yes, it is here, the storm that we've been talking about all week, and we've been seeing the snow continuing to pile up across the tri-state. Now, look at this live picture outside. You normally see the Brooklyn Bridge right about here. Really hard to see right now because of the snow that is falling. Some people out on the streets taking it slow. Also, a couple people walking around enjoying this fluffy snow that we're seeing for right now. It is a cold one, though, as you step on out. 12 degrees right now in Central Park. Of course, reporting snow. Feels like 2 below. So we're dealing with the cold Arctic air that is in place, and we're going to continue to see that holding on for us. Let's take another live picture for you. Look at this. This is our weather tracker that's out, and you can't see. This is on a bridge that right now is out over. As we pan over here, you're able to see the snow blowing there as the winds are starting to gust up a bit more. But look at that. That is the Passaic, and it is starting to freeze over. So you can see the ice continuing to float and move down there on the Passaic. So yes, it is cold enough for that to happen. We knew this Arctic air was going to settle in, and now we do have that with our First Alert weather tracker out on the roads, just allowing us to tell the story a bit more. You can see a lot of the trucks there on the bridge up there working their way around as well, as many crews are out and about. All right, coming back to the map. So this is a look at the latest radar. And when you look at this with me, when you see this darker kind of blue color, purple color, that indicates some pockets of some moderate to heavier snow. So we knew getting closer towards midday, that was the potential when we start to see those snowfall rates of 1 inch to 2 inches of snow per hour. So any of those areas that are that darker blue color indicating where we're seeing some of those pockets of the heavier snow moving their way on through. All of this, at least for right now, from the southwest to the north and east, but we're not done with the storm. We have snow all the way from Vermont, New Hampshire, through parts of upstate as well, down through Pennsylvania, continuing to stretch all the way down to the south and the west. We have this precipitation all the way from near the Canadian border, all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico. But you notice the transition in parts of Kentucky, seeing that switching over to freezing rain and sleet. Same story in the west sides there of Tennessee, through parts of Mississippi. Southeast of that, where we have warmer air, some strong storms to potentially severe storms right along parts of the Alabama coastline, where there's a slight risk of severe storms today. So a lot going on with this storm as it spans its way all the way from border to border for us. As we try to advance this on just one more time, be able to show you what's going on. Look at this. The winter weather alerts are still in place. We know we have a winter storm warning in place until about 1 o'clock in the afternoon going into tomorrow. But look at this, winter storm warnings all the way through parts of the New England area, stretching our way down through the Ohio River Valley, down through parts of Texas. From there, cold weather advisories, also ice storm warnings through parts of the Carolinas, through parts of Mississippi. So we're not the only ones dealing with this. More than 30 states under winter weather alerts right now. So our winter storm warning, as I mentioned, until 1 o'clock in the afternoon for tomorrow. It's for all of the tri-state, that heavy snow and then mix happening. And you've been hearing us talk about a mix in the forecast. So what to expect as we go through the storm. It is all snow for us right now. But then as we go into the late afternoon to then evening hours, possibly the south end stretching all the way through the east end, down the Jersey Shore, a little bit further inland, just a little bit more for us through our central Jersey counties, could see some sleet mixing in. When that happens, that will keep down our snow totals, but it's piling up right now. So you see that on the First Alert futurecast. We're continuing to see that we have the snow that is falling for us as we then go to about 2 to 3 o'clock, advancing this forward a little bit more. That's when we're able to see that we are going to see that mix happening further down to the south through parts of Ocean County, through parts of Monmouth County, stretching our way back towards the west and northwest a bit. If we could go ahead and advance this on just a little bit more, there you can see that we do have that mix then approaching parts of the city closer towards about 3 o'clock. Still all snow through parts of the lower Hudson, Sullivan, Ulster, Dutchess County. It's going to be all snow for you as we go through this event, but that mixing still sticking around as we then go to 5, 6, 7 o'clock. But look at this. Temperature-wise, down through parts of the Jersey Shore, if this verifies, it will be warm enough for it to switch to a cold rain. We're going to see if that's going to be holding true, but still, we're dealing with this as we go into tonight and then tapering off from late tonight and then into tomorrow morning, then the cold sticking around. You've been sending in some video for us. Let's take a look at some video as the little furry ones are out there with their coat. Yeah, this is Leo. Hey, Leo, geared up for a snow walk, sent in by Anthony in Bloomfield, New Jersey. Leah looks really happy. My dog Phoebe was not. She picked up her paw and said, nope, I'm not going to do this. And also just great pictures coming into us here in the First Alert Weather Center. Take a look at this picture as well. As you can see, this is from Millbrook, that is, sent in by Fred. Hey, Fred, how you doing? Hopefully you're staying nice and warm. It is a picture-perfect snowy backyard thanks to this storm system that's continuing to move its way on through. So as we come back to the maps, this is what we're seeing. And again, your First Alert Weather, share your pictures and videos for us. That's what we want to see from you. CBSNewYork.com/photos. You can scan that QR code there, right there on your screen. We will continue to have more coverage for us, and we want to see those videos for you as you are going to be sending them in today so we can help, we can show them. You can help us tell the story. All right, real fast. This is what you want to know. So with all of that in mind, with that mixing, not much of a change. Monmouth, Ocean County, maybe 4 to 9 inches of snow accumulation, 8 to 12. That does include the city stretching through parts of Nassau, up to the north sides there of Long Island, stretching into parts of Connecticut as well. But it's 12 to 18 further north and west you go, through parts of Bergen, Passaic, and then even there through parts of Sullivan, Ulster, Dutchess County, stretching right down to Orange a little bit more, 18 inches or more. So we're not done with the storm just yet, as you can see, stretching all the way from the northeast, New England areas, all the way down to the south and west. We will continue to have updates almost every hour here, and our continuing coverage starting at 11:30 right here on CBSNewYork.com on this First Alert Weather Day. Stay with us. We'll keep you and your family informed and safe.